Hi guys, and welcome to another episode of Ma's Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to make Jamaican curry chicken. Okay, so if you want to find out how to make this dish, stay tuned. We're just gonna jump straight into it. I'm gonna show you all the ingredients that you're going to need. We're going to need some chicken, whether boneless or not, but your girl loves bone. Okay, so I am going to use my chicken with the bone and everything. So in here I have my chicken already seasoned. So all I did was cut up my chicken in medium-sized pieces, and it already have the curry onto it. There's also some thyme, as you can see. There's onions and assorted sweet peppers and garlic and some all-purpose Jamaican seasoning, powder seasoning, but you can use any seasoning that you wish. I'm also going to be using some diced carrot and potatoes. All these other things that I'm going to show you are already in my pre-seasoned chicken. I'm gonna add these closer to the end just to bring up the flavor and make it taste really good. So here I have some onions. I also have the assorted sweet peppers, which is already in the curry, already in the pre-seasoned. And here I have some more extra thyme and garlic, and here I have some oil. One very important ingredient that I recommend that you also add to this dish if you love pepper is Jamaica hot pepper, or we call it country pepper. Whatever kind of pepper you decide to add, you can add it to this dish. But my husband is not such a pepper person, so I won't be using any pepper in this dish, but it will taste just as good. Okay, I already have my pot preheat over here, so I'm just going to go ahead and add my oil right in there. I'm just going to go ahead and throw all of this into the pot and just let it caramelize just a little bit. So I'm just going to mix this around and let it spring some water on its own and get some color on its own before I add any liquid to it. With my carrot and my potatoes, I'm going to now go ahead and add half of this into the curry, and then what I'm going to do, I'm going to boil the other half just for garnish after I finish, because I like to see the fresh color of the carrot and the potato popping on top of all the curry instead of it blending in with the curry color. So I'm just going to add half of this into the curry, let it cooks with it to give it a nice body, and then I'm going to cook the other half just for garnish. So we're just going to mix that nicely. Okay you guys, so now that I think my curry is caramelized enough on its own and get a really nice color, I'm now going to go ahead and add some water to this. Just bring my water up to exactly where the chicken is, and then I'm going to just cover this and leave it there to cook for about 15 to 20 minutes, and then we'll check back on it. Okay you guys, I think our water have gone down to a reasonable point. I'm going to now go ahead and add all my remaining ingredients in here. And just mix this around. See it, because of the potato, it already have a nice thick gravy, so I really don't have to add any cornstarch or any thickener to it. So I'm just going to let this simmer for 2 to 3 more minutes, and then we'll check back on it. Okay, you guys, a few minutes has passed and the curry chicken is finished and falling off the bone, and the gravy is thick, all because of the potato that we added, and it looks really good. So we're gonna share this for the family and enjoy our curry chicken. So this is my finished curry, so I'm just going to go ahead and take my cooked potato and carrot and just garnish it, because actually you can't see the carrot and the potatoes properly in the curry that I put from beginning. That is why I like to cook some extra just for garnish, to bring up that awesome color, to make it look really nice. If you have guests over, this is an awesome meal to make. It's quick and easy, and I'm sure everybody will enjoy. Okay guys, so there you have it, a yummy bowl of Jamaican style curry chicken. Okay you guys, so there you have it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. All the information will be down in the description box. Don't forget to try some of my recipes and be free to share your outcome. Add whatever you feel to add to your dish, to jazz it up, to make it taste good, to let everybody enjoy. And give this video a thumbs up, share, comment, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.